Hi everyone, my name is Richard Warburton and welcome to my course, Java Fundamentals Collections. I'm a director at Opsian, a best-selling book author and also recognised as a Java champion. As any Java developer knows, when you're coding Java you use the collections framework all the time and throughout your application. As a result, learning this core skill can bring huge improvements to your Java coding capabilities. In this course, we're going to cover why you should use collections, which collection you should pick in what situation, the APIs and behaviours of lists, maps and sets, important collection algorithms and how to process data with the Streams API, how different collection implementations work and why you should choose one or another. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use Java collections to process data effectively. And before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic Java programming constructs. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Java with courses on Java Fundamentals Generics and Java Interfaces and Abstraction. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Java collections with the Java Fundamentals Collections course at Pluralsight.